Lots and lots and lots of open doors. Inside an open door, the monsters are headed. So let's head on in and go scare some things.
Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coaster Club. For the adventures of Pride Coaster Club.
Just in case you guys wanted some snacks, all kinds of scrumptiousness.
Hello! If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog. It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmupsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
The child throws me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We have a 2319 parking unit. Spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. I'll be on the lookout for this child. Situation is
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Done yet, boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I'm up, kiddo.
Good night. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.
Hold on to your hat, human. We're decontaminating. Confirmed or denied the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area to enter. We spread out and locked it down. We quickly measured the situation. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area to enter. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly measured the situation status to contact
Whoa, Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that POV of Mike and Sully to the rescue, Monsters Inc. You can't ever go wrong with something awesome like that. Anything Monsters Inc. is always super cool and always one of my favorites. With that said, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube, as you never know what other random POVs I might film for you. Maybe I'll film something else here at California Adventure. Maybe I'll film something at Epcot when I get back home. Or I'm really feeling like Iron Rattler next time I go to Fiesta, Texas, because you can't ever go wrong with that awesome RMC. Well guys, stay safe, beautiful, and amazing, and please like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.
Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coaster Club. For the adventures of Pride Coaster Club.